Hey everybody, good morning. We made it to port. We're in Cabo San Lucas, but we decided to stay on the ship today. We've never done that on any of our cruise adventures in the past. We're going to head to the main dining room for brunch, which is something that we don't normally do. We're going to hopefully try and ride that flow rider, maybe do the surfing part, do the rock wall, and we'll see what other adventures we can get ourselves in trouble with today. So, yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave some comments, and look forward to showing the rest of the day to you. See you in a bit. Okay, we're in line for our brunch in the main dining room at a few more people than we were expecting, but usually these lines don't take too long if it's not a dinner. So we'll see. Show you what the inside of the main dining room looks like. So check back with you in a minute. Bye. So one thing I did forget is that we are having brunch, and it is Mother's Day, so it is busy in here because of the Mother's Day brunch. But, we'll show you what the menu is, and we'll let you know how the food is. So we'll be back in a little bit. Bye.
So for Mother's Day, they had a great menu. Some of the things that we didn't get, they had like seasonal fruit, cheese plates, they had eggs your way, they had omelets, they had cod, some fried chicken and waffles. Dessert, we didn't get dessert. They did have like grilled chocolate cake, coconut layer cake. I ended up getting the baked potato soup, steak and fries. Wasn't quite what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but I ended up getting the steak and fries. Shannon got pancakes and then her favorite eggs Benedict. But overall, a great breakfast or brunch. All right, we just finished our Sunday brunch, Mother's Day brunch, and now we're headed back to the room to grab some of our things, and yeah, then we're gonna head up to the pool. All right, talk to you. Wanted to make sure that everybody got to see what a beautiful day here it is in Cabo San Lucas. What it would be nice to have one of these ships like this. It's crazy how big these ships are. Yachts, we'll probably call them yachts, but yeah, these things are crazy big. People out enjoying the water with some personal watercraft. Lots of resorts, lots of beach area if you've never been here before. I'll go off the front of the ship as well, just so you can see the other side and see the Lover's Arch. So yeah, we'll be back here with you in a few. Thanks. Check you out in a few. Over here. Unfortunately, it closes at noon, and it's 11:59 right now, so we can't do the rock wall till after 6. But yeah, there's the rock wall. I will attempt to climb that before the end of the cruise. So yeah. Now that we're on the other side of the ship as well, here's there's Lover's Arch right there. Lots of sea lions. On the other side of this rock right here, this mountain range, there's resorts on the Pacific Ocean side, so not necessarily in the bay in Cabo, but you can see like right in that area right there are some resorts and houses on that side. There is a beach over there. I know people go over and stay and enjoy that Pacific side. I think it does get a little windy and there are some waves over there, but that's the tourist spot that a lot of people will go to, that Lover's Arch. And then Shannon and I have been here where most of the people will go over to this section of the beach. It's where a lot of the resorts are. but if you go outside the port and you come in over here, there's another section of beach that is accessed by locals. There's way less people. You're not hassled by vendors on the beach. A lot of locals use that side. So, little pro tip: if you want to stay out on the beach and not spend any money, that section right there of the beach, it's free. Lots of locals. It's safe. It's actually a good time. So, all right, headed back to the pool area. Maybe try and get on the flow rider in a minute, but yeah, just want to give you a quick update on trying to do the rock wall climb. Doesn't look like it'll happen today because we have steak. All right, I will check back with you guys here in a little bit. Great, sunny, beautiful day here. Not a whole lot of cloud cover. It's warm. It's got to be in the 80s, but I'll check back in with you in a little bit. Bye. The only thing that we'll be able to do on the back of the ship today will be the water slide. So I'll see if I can't get Shannon to participate in a little bit of water slide activity. But yeah, we'll go talk to her and check back in with you in a little bit. Maybe it's just a hangout by the pool day. Talk to you. All right, so here's the Windjammer Buffet. There's Mrs. G. You have your hand washing stations. You got a washy. So we have our favorite people when we come to the buffet. Washy. Make sure.
Yummy.
So make sure you wash your hands before we go out to the buffet. Oh, happy Mother's Day!
You want the torta? Yeah. Thank you.
That's nice.
We missed the Happy Mother's Day, but there's a little bit of it left.
I'm gonna get a piece. Can I get a piece? Yeah.
Some mac and cheese. We're gonna try the meatloaf. There is what they call, and this is their wording, is chicken spread and egg spread. So I'm thinking it's a chicken salad and an egg salad. Some potato, some chicken, and Shannon's gonna be surprised, but I didn't realize that I grabbed it, but it's lamb. That's right, everybody. I grabbed it by accident. It is lamb. I will let you know what the outcome is, if it is any good, because we both are not lamb fans, but I will let you know what the outcome is. I'll catch you in a minute. Alright. So now I'm trying the lamb. Well, I can take a little piece. Must be the way that it's prepared, because it's actually not terrible. So, all right. Johnny Rockets is not included. They do have combos. The combos are $14.99. You get a burger, fries, or a burger's a side, and a drink, and then the shakes are $5 extra.
Hi, sir. Welcome to dinner again.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Not too bad, sir. Go over to Loca Fresh. Loca Fresh is their Mexican dishes. They have burritos. They have chips. They have meat that you can put on the chips. They have tortillas. They have quesadillas ready to go. So floured tortillas, Mexican rice, some chili beef, pork carnitas, Mexican beans. They normally have cheese sauce in there, but it looks like the cheese sauce is gone. Some chicken, some beef carnitas. They already have pre-wrapped chicken burritos. They have quesadillas, beef burritos. How are you? Not too bad. Cheese quesadillas, chips,
Yanni, how are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
Not too bad. You have a nice day. Like I say, the staff here is very, very friendly, very helpful. They also have a salsa station. You have your guacamole, some jalapenos in the back, some salsa. You got red and green. You have your pico de gallo. Both sides are the same. You do have your different flavors of, I'm gonna call it Mexican hot sauces. Lettuce, cheese, some onions, some sour cream in the back, and then also lime wedges. The pool area itself, it's actually, when it's full, there's still plenty of room. So getting out, there's a little station for the kids to play, and there's also chairs in the pool, which is actually pretty nice. We did sit in those chairs earlier today. It's a great way to cool off and still get a little bit of sun. So yeah, lime and the coconut. They do have a station here on deck 11, and then they also have one up top on deck 12. But yeah, you have hot tubs. Sorry. You're fine. You do have hot tubs on deck 10, and then up top on deck 11 you also have some hot tubs on both sides as well, with showers. You have some cabanas up there. The cabanas down here are reserve only. You can't actually get in the cabanas unless you reserve them prior to coming out. If your kids have or need life vests, we have life vests. Towel station, how are you? All right. Salarium. Mrs. G sitting down on her phone, staring at us. Hot tubs. You do have hot tubs on both sides of the solarium. Pool. The pool itself is a little bit small, but actually you can fit a ton of people in it, so it's a good time sitting in the pool, even when you're on a sea day. One thing that they do have are cubbies to put your stuff in if you need to store some stuff if there's too many people. Staff at the bar is very good. You have people like Simon. Simon's actually been a great server. We appreciate you. One love. Again, we have cubbies on both sides. Great views if you don't get off the ship. Like I say, today we stayed on the ship. Come out to the Salarium. Great views of Cabo San Lucas. If you wanted, you could come out, get one of their little, they're not necessarily cabanas themselves, but they're padded bed areas is the best way I can say that. You're under the cover, you're out of the sun. It's actually a great way to spend the day. A little bit different than the normal loungers. And we'll finish it off with a view. You know, honestly, that view of Cabo. Okay, tonight is Chop Steakhouse. We got reservations for Mother's Day, so follow us for dinner. We'll let you know how the steakhouse is. We'll check back with the interview. Bye. The wedge salad and prime bone and ribeye. I'm going to do mine medium well. Shannon's going to do the shrimp cocktail and the lobster bisque with the filet. Give you a quick look at the menu.
Maybe. That's the dear. Yes, sir, please. Let's get it.
Question on the
red tape.
And then you can see that view that we have behind us while we're in the restaurant. It's actually pretty nice for Shannon. But yeah, good view. Great day. We'll check back with you in a little bit. Alright, well, we finished our dinner at Chops. That was actually a great meal. Yeah, we had great company. We're changed, and now we're getting ready for the Love and Marriage show. So hopefully we'll get some good laughs out of that. It's usually actually pretty funny. So we'll see if we can't record some of it and get back to you. Bye for now.
But I'm not the host for this tonight. I'm here to tell you that, of course, as this is a game show that we're gonna need couples, I'm gonna have to do an audition. But before I get to the audition, I need to know how many happily married couples are here in the house tonight. I asked happily married.
I asked for a letter and a number. So what is your wife's bra size? Coming to you first, Rachel. So what is your bra size?
34B.
Yes! Well done, Cobo! Really? Really, kids? Your sons are like, go Dad, yay! The prizes are not worth it. So, what do you think Jack said was your bra size? He has no idea. He was quicker than Kyle.
Let's say 38C.
Ooh, 38C. Oh, you really would have won then.
He said 34C.
I know. But we think he just wanted them to be bigger than Rachel's. We're not quite sure. Now, Chloe, what is your bra size?
42 double D.
He was 99% sure that he was right. Never go to this man if you need an accountant. In his eyes, his knowledge, you are a 32D. In the event of an emergency, Chloe could float us all to safety. She could save the entire ship.
Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed our Mother's Day Cabo San Lucas port day. First time we'd ever stayed on the ship instead of getting off at the port. We've been to Cabo a couple of times and decided we'd see what the ship had to offer while we were in port. We had the Mother's Day brunch. That was great. We had the steakhouse. The steakhouse was even better. I would recommend that highly. Pro tip though is when Royal Caribbean's in the port, make sure you check that itinerary because they'd shut down the rock wall and the flow rider. So we weren't able to do that till we actually left port. But yeah, great overall day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.